My name is Scott Otey, and I'm the president of West Coast Florida Enterprises. We are a Southwest Florida roofing contractor. We focus most of our attention right here in Collier County, and we were established in 1985, which puts us at the 35-year mark this year. I started with them in 1990, and actually this month, October, is 30 years for me. We focus on mostly re-roofing. We do a lot of condominium work, clubhouses, and some light retail, things like that. A little bit of residential as well. And we install all kinds of roofing, slope roofing, flat roofing, and all points in between. Brava came along as a synthetic, and our company has never been a synthetic installer. We've seen a lot of things going on, but we were very, very impressed with what Brava had to offer in terms of a synthetic. Aesthetically and longevity speaking, we just think it's wonderful. We have not been using Brava very long, but we're sold on it. We were introduced to Brava because we were trying to solve some issues on a building, and the Brava reps came along and convinced me that the problems we had seen with synthetics in the past were solved by Brava. I believe, and we believe, that the installation of synthetic products requires a very steady, very professional hand, that you have to really know what you're doing to get success out of it. And I think that is what separates us from everybody else. Not everybody can install a synthetic roof product properly. One of the things that sets Brava apart from other manufacturers is their aesthetic value. The molds that they came up with for their shake and tile products is really amazing. They look so authentic. One of the things we like about Brava as opposed to other manufacturers is they have come along and solved a couple of problems that synthetics have had over the years. The sales team at Brava is top notch. One thing that our company has always wanted out of a sales team is to be left alone until we need something. And Brava has fit right into that. I've asked them to be that way. They are that way. When I need something, they are very, very responsive, but they're not nagging me. They're not bothering me all the time. And we feel like they've answered every question that has come along, and when we need them, they're right there for us. Logistically, Brava's been top notch. I had my doubts at first, but man, because anytime you join forces with a new company like that, a new relationship I should say, you always wonder if logistically they're gonna come through. But in a pinch, they've come through. We were doing a large project where we needed just a few more pieces to finish up. They jumped right on it, overnighted what we needed. We had it here immediately, and we've had no issues logistically. If there's someone out there that's not comfortable making the leap to a Brava product, I would invite them to take a look at the installed and finished product. I think that will sell you. I think if you were able to meet with the sales team and they could show you and help you understand how Brava got here, how their product got as far as it did, as well as it did, the science behind it, I think that would sell the product. If I were building a home and I wanted the look of a shake roof or a tile roof, I would install Brava in a heartbeat.